Hi, I'm Brian Weaver for TE's Application Tooling. Today I'm going to explain the 2P Ethernet Workcell. So what the Workcell does, you'll take a prepared twisted pair cable, cut to a certain length, and detwist it. The Workcell will zero cut the conductors to length for the proper breakout length, and they will also strip the conductors, and then finally both conductors will get crimped with a terminal at the same time in a dual crimp applicator. With the 2P Ethernet system, you'll receive lacing fixtures, a zero cut and strip arbor press, the applicators that go along with your application. On the applicators, you'll receive a mounting fixture with a safety sensor that has a CPC connector attached to it. You'll receive a terminator alignment fixture. And finally, you'll receive a G2 terminator that's been modified and includes a CPC connector you can see on the right side here with a mounting bracket. So the first thing I'm going to show is how to load the applicator. Take it. We'll load it just like you would any other applicator. And you attach the CPC connector to the mating CPC connector on the terminator. Screw it in, and then latch in your applicator. So it's tight. Take your terminals, load them in, so lock down your drag, close the guarding, and as you can see, the mount I showed you earlier that attaches to the applicator sticks through the guard, and this is used to attach your alignment fixture. So it comes in here, it snaps into place. You can't open the guards when this is installed, so to remove it, there's a little plunger on the bottom that you can pull and detach it. Also, if you choose, we also have a screw inside here to lock it down. And I will screw that in now, just to show you. So now I'm going to go through the process of taking your twisted pair cable through the whole Workcell. So first off, you take your lacing fixture and you install the cable into it. So first thing you have to do is squeeze back the handles, exposing the area where you want to lace in your conductors, as so. You release the handles so both conductors get laced into the fixture properly. And then you want to look to see that the end of the cable jacket is between the two indicator lines. When it is, you lock the cable in place using the handle at the rear of the fixture. That clamps the cable in place so they can't move throughout the process. So once you have that installed, take your lacing fixture over to the zero cut and strip arbor press. Move it in until it hits the magnetic stop and is in position. You'll notice there's a pneumatic valve and a nozzle down at the bottom where the tooling is. And this is there to blow out the slug and the scrap when you're going through the process. So the first thing you do is manually bring down your arbor press and then pull back to strip your conductors as shown here. So from this point, take your lacing fixture over the terminator. First I'll turn it on. Move it into position. Again, this also has a magnetic stop. And you'll notice as I put this into position, the lights change because the magnetic safety sensor makes, which allows the terminator to cycle. In this position, the safety circuit in the terminator won't allow the press to cycle because there's large gaps in the guard that you can put your fingers in. So the press will only cycle when the lacing fixture is in position as so. Remove the lacing fixture and you'll see now that you have two current terminals on your twisted pair. Now to take out the cable, you'll notice there's a tonk feature here. As you pull back on this handle, not only will it release the cable up front, but it will also tonk this rear latch, which will unclamp the cable in the same motion. So do that, and that's the final product of the 2P Ethernet Workcell. Thank you.